What's up, gentlemen? So when it comes to stress, I think it's fair to say that we all get stressed out from time to time. If I'm not careful, my time to time is like all of the time if I'm not doing something to manage and maintain a lower stress level. And it's critical to get your stress levels under control, because if your stress gets like crazy nuts, all sorts of crazy things can happen to your body, like headaches, heartburn, indigestion, fast heart rate, high blood pressure, increased risk of heart attack, erectile dysfunction, low sex drive, headache, depression, not to mention, when you're stressed out, life isn't as amazing and awesome as it should be. So today, in an attempt to help you not be so freaking stressed out, I'm going over 7 of my personal stress reduction tips. Number 1, Frank is tip number 1, aren't you, buddy? You're the sweetest little thing. I love petting my cat, and one of the things that helps me relieve stress is petting these furry little bastards. What? When I've had a really shitty day, I'll go home and I'll see like Frank, or I'll grab Piglet, or one of my other cats. I got 4 cats, but if I didn't, can you imagine how stressed out I'd be? Exactly. I grab one of them, I sit there, and sometimes they don't want it, but I always force a little love, and I feel better immediately after number 2. Second tip has to do with money, because I think we all can agree that money is one of the biggest and worst stresses that we are under, right? Whether or not we don't have enough money to pay our bills or whatever. When I'm feeling super stressed out about money, what makes me feel better is to sit down and actually write out a budget. Budget, baby, budget. Sitting down and actually writing out a monthly budget is incredibly empowering and helps reduce the stress. The third thing for you to try next time you're feeling super stressed is who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? No, that's actually not a song, but I know it should be. Music is freaking amazing, and its ability to get you in a mood but also get you out of a mood. For me, I use music to get super fired up and pumped up when I'm working out, but I also will use it as a stress reduction tool. When I'm feeling super stressed, I'll pop in my headphones, maybe go for a drive, listen to something that's a little bit more low-key and relaxing, and I always feel better. Number 4. Ready? Wait for it, and boop! Secured ExpressVPN, today's video sponsor, and the greatest VPN service that is out there. Guys, something that I found myself stressing out a lot more about was my security. Whether or not it's online security or on my phone, like I am constantly paranoid that people are listening, people are watching, people are trying to hack my ass. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. There are 3 reasons why every single one of you should be using a VPN. Number 1 is privacy. If you don't have a VPN and you're not using it, all of your internet data, all of your cell phone information is being broadcast and tracked by your internet service provider, cell phone companies, advertising agencies, not to mention hackers. The second reason is anonymity. Being anonymous. When you're using a VPN, your public IP address is totally masked. So where you go online, what you're searching for, no matter how freaky and weird, it's private. No one else will know except you. Weirdo. I'm kidding. Not really. Third reason is security, and that's honestly the most important reason to me. It encrypts your data. If you're looking for the best VPN service, in my opinion, you gotta check out ExpressVPN. For less than $7 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can take your privacy back. But right now, if you hit that special link down below, www.expressvpn.com/alpha-m, they're gonna give you 3 months free on a 1-year plan. But you gotta hit that special link down below to grab the 3 months free. Guys, expressvpn.com/alpha-m. Then you're going to be able to protect not only your computer, but your phone. And then check it out. Ready? Watch. Boom. They've got service in like over 90 countries, right? You go in, you pick your countries, Americas, right? I am in the US. Turn it on, boom, right? Wait for it, wait. A little green shield lets me know that I'm protected. Gentlemen, here's the deal. If you're not protected, you gotta do it today. Your privacy, your security, your anonymity depends on it. Gentlemen, hit that link down below, expressvpn.com/alpha-m to get protected and talk dirty. I'm kidding, not really today. The 5th thing that I do that is amazing for stress reduction is going for a walk in the woods. There's just something about being in nature, being around trees, being around the smells, the birds, the woodland creatures. Gotta love those woodland creatures, like chipmunks and little like stuff, squirrels. 30 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour, it doesn't matter. But the deal is this. you gotta go in order for it to work. Speaking of working, the sixth thing I do that totally helps me with my stress level, manage it, make me feel a little better, is work out. Here it is again. It's amazing how many of my videos and how many of my cures for what ails you is working out. But it's amazing how working out and lifting weights, running, being active absolutely is therapeutic and helps you reduce stress and get it under control. Working out also reduces the stress hormone known as cortisol. It improves sleep and definitely enhances confidence. Number 7. Chew gum. It's like an oral stress ball, apparently. There's been like all sorts of research done. One study specifically by some like Japanese scientists or group that showed that chewing gum actually will reduce stress. Plus, your breath doesn't smell like you ate a turd burger, which is super cool. What's not super cool is freaking stress. I hate it. I freaking hate stress. It definitely makes life suck and a lot harder than it should be. You gotta do things though. If you're somebody who is super stressed, has high anxiety, or you just need to relax a little bit more, please try these 7 alpha-approved stress reduction tips and feel more amazing tomorrow. I promise. Give them a try. You rock and are beautiful. Bye-bye.